What is going on, photographers? Tonight we're doing an engagement session. I'm going to show you the difference between, now I want to show you guys more of the behind the scenes of the photo shoot tonight, how I'm posing my clients, the raw photos versus the edited photos, so you guys can really see what I'm capable to do, what you're potentially capable of doing with these type of lenses. Now the reason why I'm only using two tonight, because it's nice to kind of master two lenses and have reasons for each one. Do that, you can like hold hands and hang out, so you can practice that. Oh, perfect. Yeah, you got it. And then if I ever say open the door, you can. So those are the first three. So pretty easy. And then I'll add some more movement into the other ones to make it more easygoing and fun. But yeah, it's gonna be good. And the whole shoot, you guys can talk about your favorite things about each other, or maybe your not so favorite things to stir the pot up a little bit. Your job, so you can practice looking at each other, bring her in nice and close. Perfect. I guess like kind of like slow motion. Imagine yeah. You two can actually hold hands, and you can slowly walk towards me, swing your hands back and forth. Yeah, you guys can look at each other. Then bring her in for a hug. Bring her nice and close. And then you guys can be a closed door. You can practice being a closed door there. So when you first met Taylor, what was going through your head? How about you, Taylor? What was going through your head the first time?
So after this, I switched to the Nikon 85mm because we're going to be doing kind of more of a trail scene. So that's why I had them, because shooting on an 85 really compresses the background and makes the background look closer to the subject. If I wanted to get more of a wide shot of the scene of them walking towards me, I would have used the 35.
Awesome. Now you guys can turn around and you can start walking this way. Awesome, looks good. Now you guys can pause right there. Now this is going to be the first twirl. So you can do the practice one. Taylor, you're going to hold her hand nice and high, and then you can do a nice slow 360 twirl. Oh, look at that. That was good. Awesome. Now you can do one last one super quick, and then go in for a hug and a kiss, and that'll look awesome. We'll actually start on that brick wall over there. So for this shot, you guys are going to be centered to the wall right here. And you can be holding hands side by side, that one pose we're talking about. And you two can look at each other.
So for this shot, I'm actually going to shoot the first photo on the 35 1.4 Sigma, and then I'm going to switch to the Nikon 85 so you can see the difference in a more tight scene, what the difference will be. And then for the rest of the scene, I shoot on the 85. Now you can notice on the 35, you can see the entire scene of the photo, which I love. You can see so much in it, see all the bricks, and then when I put the 85 on, it's much more compressed, and you can see kind of the brick really close behind their heads, it's blurry, and they kind of walk to the scene. It's more of a close-up, emotional, raw.
And you can look at each other, and then you can bring her in for a hug. Now you can slowly sway her side to side. Have a little tickle fight with your noses. Whoever wins the tickle fight gets to push the other person through. Awesome, now Paige. Awesome, now you two can go in for a kiss whenever you're ready. Now you two can stand up, and if you actually want to stand on this picnic table, that's or never lucky the rain held off. It's so hard to judge the clouds. Yeah. Looks like we're gonna have some sun too, hopefully. So Paige, I'm actually gonna get you to stand right here where I am. And Taylor, you can stay in the corner. All right, so You got this? Are you a little scared? Not like a football guy, okay? And then who's more ticklish out of the equation? Or is that a dangerous question? Oh. Now you two can kind of like look at each other, just like that. And then you can switch to look at each other the other way. You can try to do it quicker and quicker every time. It's kind of like a game there. After on a kiss. Magic. Awesome. And then you two can hold hands just maybe 10 meters that way, and then we'll get the cool sun in the background. Yeah, and then you can kind of like hold it. Yeah, just like that. Awesome, looks good. All right, we're gonna walk down this way now. And you can look down at her. Awesome. And you're gonna come a little bit more to the edge there. Oh yeah, that's a perfect spot. And then you kind of sway your side to side and come in nice and close. Magic you too. Awesome. Now for this photo, you can stand in front of Taylor and you can wrap both your arms around her. Yeah, just like that. And you can be facing me for this one. So you two can see starting right here. It's gonna kind of be like a sequence. So you're gonna be holding hands. You're gonna take 2 steps. 1, 2, and then go in for a hug. And then you're gonna re-brace yourself, and then you're gonna do 1, 2, and then a twirl, and then you can go in and just like hang out and cuddle with each other. And you can totally improv. You can make it 3 steps, you can make it like you're tipsy a little bit. Awesome, and now you can put your arm around her. And I call this kind of like the best friend walk. It's as if like maybe you had some beers with Andrew and Rachel and you're coming out of the pub, just kind of like at the harbor, and yeah, so you guys can slowly walk towards me, just for a little buzz, maybe a tattoo, or I don't know, maybe Taylor did.
Now we are heading to a beautiful location because we got lucky that all the rain went away for this sunset. So we're going to be exploring up this hill, and behind this hill is a little valley and then more hilltops behind it. So it's a great scene to capture with the sun coming down behind. Now I'm starting this photo sequence on the 85mm because I'm going to stand very far back. And when you do that with a higher focal length, it's great because you get awesome compression with the sun coming in. And the 85 is really good for that. If I was that distance shooting on the 85, on the 35, it would have been way too wide and you wouldn't really notice the subjects. Now when we get to the top of the hill, that's why you see me go back to my 35 so I can get more up close, but capture the whole scene while still seeing the raw emotional photos that are happening in front of the lens. And these are my favorite photos that I take a lot of clients to on top of this hill for sunsets, and getting this photo right here is my absolutely favorite thing to do. So enjoy the rest.
And you can take 2 steps towards me, if you can. I'm just going to look back at Kate there. And you can bring him for a kiss this time. Maybe if you want to give her a little bit of a ride, you can swing a little bit side to side, not a ton, maybe like a 2. Awesome, then you put her down. Awesome, and then you can kind of do like the best friend shot again. Like just do a little bit tipsy, walking into the field. awesome. You can kind of get her hair flowing a little bit side to side.
Woo! All right, so we finished the photo shoot. If you guys want to see the editing portion, that'll be the second video I'm uploading. So you guys can see the photos that we took. I'm gonna pull it into Lightroom and we're gonna edit them together, and I'm gonna show you how to use my preset system and whatnot. If you guys want some free presets, download them below. And I'd love it if you guys would smash that like button and subscribe for more awesome content, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.